The Alphabet Letters by Teacher Mommy Chris. Let's learn the alphabet letters by playing a game. The puppy is missing and wants to go home to meet his mom. Did you see the crying puppy? He is so sad and really wants to go home. Let's help him to find his way back home so he can be together with his mom. Are you ready? Let's go! This is the map, and it will help us to find the right direction on which way to go. Let's go to station 1. We must answer the question to past. The question is, which letter starts with this object? Do you know this object? This is a ball. And ball starts with letter B. Yay! We passed to station 1. There's 2 more stations to go. Let's go! Let's go to station 2. The question is, which letter starts with this object? Do you know this object? This is a drum. And drum starts with the letter D. Yay! We passed the station 2. There's 1 more station to go. Let's go. Let's go to station 3. The question is, which letter starts with this object? Do you know this object? This is a car. And car starts with letter C. Yay! We passed all the stations. Time to go home now. The puppy is now happy to reunite with his mother. Good job, kids. You did very well. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris Online Tutor. Let's learn the alphabet. A. Alligator. A. Ant. B. Bird. B. Box. C. Carrot. C. Car. D. Dice. D. Donut. E. Egg. E. Elephant. F. Frog. F. Food. G. Girl. G. Garden. H. House. H. Helmet. I. Ice. I. Igloo. J. Jaguar. J. Jet. K. Kitten. K. Kettle. L. Lantern. L. Lamppost. M. Milk. M. Money. N. Nuts. N. Napkin. O. Oyster. O. Olive. P. Pancake. P. Peas. Q. Quail. Q. Quartz. R. Rice. R. Rose. S. Sun. S. Sand. T. Turtle. T. Toes. U. Upstairs. U. Umbrella. V. Vest. V. Vines. W. Water. W. Whale. X. X-ray fish. X. Xylophone. Y. Yacht. Y. Yarn. Z. Zebra. Z. Zipper. Good job, children! Subscribe for more videos.
Let's sing the ABC. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for grass, grass. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jar, jar. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for mother, mother. N is for nest, nest. O is for otter, otter. P is for pancake, pancake. Q is for quail, quail. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for table, table. U is for under, under. V is for vase, vase. W is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yarn, yarn. Z is for zebra, zebra.
Hello, kids. Let's sing the color song. This is red, color red, 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 red. This is red, color red, 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 red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. This is blue, color blue, 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 blue. This is blue, color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue. This is yellow, color yellow, 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 yellow. This is yellow, color yellow, 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 yellow. Do you know what color is this? This is yellow. This is green, color green, 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 green. This is green, color green, 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 green. Do you know what color is this? This is green. This is white, color white, 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 white. This is white, color white, 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 white. Do you know what color is this? This is white. This is purple, color purple, 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 purple. This is purple, color purple, 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 purple. Do you know what color is this? This is purple. This is pink, color pink, 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 pink. This is pink, color pink, 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 pink. Do you know what color is this? This is pink. This is brown, color brown, 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 brown. This is brown, color brown, 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 brown. Do you know what color is this? This is brown. This is black, color black, 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 black. This is black, color black, 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 black. Do you know what color is this? This is black. Very good, children. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris channel. Let's memorize the 26 letters of the alphabet. Let's start. This is letter A, and A sounds ah. This is letter B, and B sounds b. This is letter C, and C sounds k. This is letter D, and D sounds d. This is letter E, and E sounds eh. This is letter F, and F sounds f. This is letter G, and G sounds g. This is letter H, and H sounds h. This is letter I, and I sounds e. This is letter J, and J sounds j. This is letter K, and K sounds k. This is letter L, and L sounds l. This is letter M, and M sounds m. This is letter N, and N sounds n. This is letter O, and O sounds oh. This is letter P, and P sounds p. This is letter Q, and Q sounds k. This is letter R, and R sounds r. This is letter S, and S sounds s. This is letter T, and T sounds t. This is letter U, and U sounds u. This is letter V, and V sounds v. This is letter W, and W sounds w. This is letter X, and X sounds x. This is letter Y, and Y sounds y. This is letter Z, and Z sounds z. Very good, children. Remember these 26 letters of the alphabet. So next time, you will be able to write and read. Education is important, so keep practicing. Subscribe for more videos.